Hi everyone, please subscribe Shabby's Cooking.
Basic Indian masala. In a kadai, add roughly chopped tomatoes, garlic, ginger, onions, and bird's eye chilies. Cook well. When the mixture cools down, blend it into a paste. Thick, rich gravy is ready to add in any curry. You can freeze for 3 months. Chicken curry with basic Indian masala. In a pressure cooker, add mustard oil, frozen basic masala. Add chicken. Add salt. Add spice powders. Mix well. Add potatoes. Add water. Pressure cook until it's done. Transfer it into a wide pan. This is frozen full cream. Add half of it. Mix well. Bring it to boil. Add lime cube. Add coconut oil and mix well. Delicious chicken curry is ready. Potato cauliflower stir fry. In a pan, add coconut oil, mustard seeds, and cumin. Add potatoes. Cook the potatoes. Add garlic. Add cauliflower florets. Cover and cook. Add turmeric powder. Mix well and cook on low flame until it's golden. Healthy, delicious stir-fry is ready. Simple Masoor dal with basic Indian masala. In a pot, add oil. Add ghee. Add mustard seeds. Cumin. Add garlic. Add frozen basic Indian masala. Sauté well. Add curry leaves and crushed bird's eye chilies. In a pressure cooker, add soaked masoor dal and cook. Add cooked masoor dal. Add water. Mix well. Add lime cube. Bring it to boil. Delicious dal is ready.